yeah, welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hello, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist. But today we're gonna make 10, yes guys, 10 basic straight hair hairstyle for any occasion, even for work or every day. But guys, I need to do really my hair like right now. You can see it's not really straight, and when my hair is not done, even somehow maybe a bun or something to hide the frizziness and everything, I literally feel naked. So I'm going to straighten my hair. This video is a collab with DUVOLLE hair straightener because, as I said before, my hair is not that straight. I used this baby here. You can see how it looks like. It's a rubber texture and it makes it so pleasant to the touch. Also, it has here 5 temperature positions, so you can choose which one is for you. If you need your hair to be super straight, you definitely want to use a higher temperature. But for blonde girls, be careful. Also guys, this is a very good tool, but never skip your thermal or heat protection, okay? And guess what? I have a coupon code for you for 70% off. Oh my god, 70% off. My code is Awesome Hairstyles. Make sure to use it. Also, I leave the link to their website. Also, you can use this for other tools like for facial brushes and so on. Guys, I have an unboxing of this tool. I'll attach the link in I buttons. Subscribe over there as well because I'm planning a lot of unboxing and life related things. And now we can get right into our straight hair hairstyles tutorial.
For the first very basic hairstyle, we want to select 2 sections from the sides of our parting, and we want to twist them away from our face and tie it using a clear elastic. For the second one, we want to grab our top section like I'm showing and tie it into a high half ponytail. Make sure it's smooth and nice, and then you want to grab a section from the ponytail and wrap it around the elastic to hide it. I will use this tool to hide the ends, but you can tuck it into the elastic underneath of your created half ponytail. And you're done! For the third hairstyle, we want to grab our top section and we want to make with it a super simple 3-strand braid. About our ear level, we'll stop and add more hair from the kind of sectioning from the ear, and we want to add from both sides and tie the braid with the sections, a ponytail, then grab a section of hair and wrap it around the elastic. I'll show you how to tuck it into the elastic the ends, if in case you don't know how to do it. Now for the fourth hairstyle, we want to grab our side section and leave them away for later, and with the rest we want to create a very low ponytail. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Then you want to grab your side sections and twist them away from your face, each of them, and then tie them using a clear elastic. Twist it once, creating this loop like I'm showing, and tuck into this loop your ponytail. Make sure to tighten your clear elastic, and your classic, easy and beautiful ponytail is ready. Beautiful Now for the next hairstyle, want to grab our side sections like I'm showing and tie them using a clear elastic. Make an opening and bring the ponytail through it. You want to loosen your ponytail, creating this loosen ponytail effect, and then tie all your hair into a very low ponytail, and then grab a small section of hair from the ponytail and wrap it around it and tuck it into the elastic underneath, or use this tool like I did, and we're done. For the next hairstyle, we want to grab our top section, divide it into two, and guess what? Make a knot. Make sure your knot is smooth because you have straight hair, right? And then you want to add more hair to each of these strands from the scalp and make a knot again. Make sure you hold your hair well as you are making these knots, and then again you want to add more hair to each of these sections and knot it again. Then you want to spread hair left to these two sections and knot it again. Then for preventing your hairstyle from unraveling, make sure to knot it once again without adding hair. Tie an elastic. If your hair is longer, you can knot it several times. On last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through like I'm showing and wrap it and tuck it into underneath created bun and pin it in place. Make sure to use enough bobby pins. Also, I decided to fix it better in place so it will not unravel. So under every single knot, I'll use a bobby pin to fix it like I'm showing. Loosen a bit if you need, use some hairspray if you need, of course, too, and you're done. For the next hairstyle, we want to divide all our hair into two equal sections and tie a ponytail with each of them, but on last time make sure to pull your hair halfway through and wrap the hair around the elastic. Tuck it into the elastic the end. Now you want to grab your created loops and bring one through another one like I'm showing, and then you want to hide the ends, of course, and pin it in place. You'll create a kind of infinity bun. You can make it smoother if you want. I was looking for a relaxed look. For the next one, we want to grab our top section, tie a ponytail again, leave it for later, and tie your second ponytail with all hair left. Then make an opening through the first ponytail and bring the ponytail through it, loosen it a bit if you need. Then you want to grab your second ponytail, make an opening or kind of pocket and tuck it into the pocket your second ponytail first, and then grabbing your first topsy tail, you want to tuck it into the pocket as well. If you need, you can use some bobby pins to fix it, but for me it's okay because my hair is not very heavy. And you're ready. Now want to grab our top section like I'm showing and tie it again with a clear elastic and leave it away for later. Then grabbing all your hair into a high ponytail, you want to tie it. Now you want to make an opening through the first ponytail and bring the second one through it. This way your ponytail will not be loose and will make it so high and beautiful looking. For the last hairstyle, want to divide all our hair into two equal sections, twist each strand one way and then twist them around each other opposite way. Yes, it's a roll braid. You want to continue until reaching the end. tie the ends using a clear elastic, then kind of making a knot halfway through. As you can see, I'm leaving the ends inside. You want to pin it in place using some bobby pins, and I must say that's my favorite hairstyle when I don't know what to do with my hair.
I hope that you enjoyed this video so far. If you do, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're new and tell me in comments down below which of these hairstyles was your favorite and what kind of hair tutorials you'd like me more to share here on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to use Awesome Hairstyles code when buying your favorite tool from DUVOLLE. But guys, that's it for today, and you know I love you so much. Bye!